This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and grounding, because lighting failures usually come from lost voltage or bad ground. First, make sure the tow vehicle battery and relevant fuses are good, then disconnect the trailer plug. Next, visually inspect the connector for corrosion or bent pins while you test for 12V at the vehicle side with a multimeter or test light. Once you see proper voltage at the vehicle, move to the trailer plug to compare and identify whether the fault is on trailer or tow harness. You now trace power into the trailer. Probe each function pin while someone toggles lights, brakes, and turn signals so you can map voltage presence. If a circuit shows no voltage, follow its wire to locate breaks, chafing, or loose splices. Voltage drops often happen across dirty connectors or weak grounds. Make repairs with proper crimps or solder and heat shrink, and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Once repaired, recheck each circuit under load to confirm stable voltage and You finish by testing every lamp while someone operates the controls. Look for dimming, flicker, or non-responsive lights, which indicate resistance or intermittent contact. If a lamp fails, swap in a known good bulb or power the socket directly to isolate whether the bulb or wiring is at fault. Make sure all grounds are tight and free of paint or rust, because a poor ground can produce odd symptoms. If problems persist, remeasure voltage under load and focus repairs, where voltage drops occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.